Ever experienced difficulty breathing? The sensation of not being able to get enough air can be quite unnerving. If you're ever caught in such a predicament, remember, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention. Difficulty breathing can be a potential sign of a medical emergency, requiring professional evaluation and intervention. While waiting for medical help to arrive, here are some general tips that might help. Be mindful, these are not a substitute for professional medical assistance. First, stay calm. Panic can often make breathing difficulties worse. Try to maintain composure and keep anxiety levels down. Second, change your position. If you're sitting or lying down, a different posture can sometimes alleviate pressure on your chest, making breathing easier. Third, loosen any tight clothing. If your attire is constricting, especially around your chest, loosening it could allow for better airflow and ease of breathing. Fourth, focus on your breathing. Practice slow, deep breaths. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold for a few seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth. This controlled breathing can help regulate your respiratory rhythm. Fifth, if the air quality seems poor, open a window or door. Fresh air can sometimes alleviate a sense of suffocation. Sixth, make sure there's nothing obstructing your airways. Removing potential obstructions could make a significant difference. Seventh, stay hydrated. Dehydration can exacerbate breathing difficulties. If possible, drink small sips of water. Lastly, if you're overheating, a fan or a cool cloth on your forehead can help. Cooling down your body can sometimes alleviate respiratory distress. These suggestions are temporary measures and by no means a replacement for professional medical help. If you're struggling to breathe or feeling suffocated, call your local emergency number or head to the nearest emergency room immediately. Difficulty breathing can indicate a multitude of medical conditions, including respiratory or cardiac issues. Prompt evaluation by a healthcare professional is critical for an accurate diagnosis and the right treatment. In conclusion, remember to stay calm, change your position, loosen tight clothing, focus on breathing, open a window or door, remove potential obstructions, stay hydrated, and cool down if necessary. But most importantly, seek professional medical attention without delay. Remember, your health is your wealth. Take care.